In this video, guys, we have this Onn tablet and it's locked. We don't know the password or anything like that. So I am going to show you how we are going to reset the tablet. It's not too hard to do. You can do it. So you want to shut down the tablet. So we're going to power off. Now that we were able to power it off, you want to hold the volume up and the power button together. So that's what we are going to be doing. So this is the volume up, power button. You want to hold them together like that. So when you see this screen, guys, you will see recovery. You want to use the volume up to navigate because volume down is to select. So we need to go here. Then you want to hit the volume down. And so we are going to select recovery. It's going to take us to the recovery mode. So we are now in the recovery mode. So what we are going to do here, we are going to go to wipe data factory reset. You are going to hit the power button here. Then you're going to hit the down button here. Then we are going to hit the power button once more. So it's going to say at the bottom area, data wipe completed. And once it is wipe completed, you're good to go. You can reboot the device now. And guys, it will reboot as just as you got the tablet brand new. So we need to go over all the setup steps and we should be good to go. Also, if you have a Gmail account on it, it will either ask you for the Gmail account or it will ask you to re-enter the PIN password code or pattern. This is actually the Google security feature. If you have lost your device, it protects the device in a sense of ownership. So we are just waiting for the tablet to boot up. And I am actually taking you guys through the entire process. So we are going to set up. Or let's just put in a password for now. So here we go, and we are done. There's another way to reset this tablet as well. You can go to the settings, and you can scroll all the way down. You go to system here. You have the reset options here where you can just reset the device. When you do it this way, it basically erases the device just like what we did, and you will lose everything on it. So if your tablet is overloaded or running slow and you decide to reset it because you want to give someone, you want to first remove your Gmail account because this can be difficult for them. So you go here and you will see your Gmail account here. You want to remove the Gmail account, and then you go to system here and you go to reset options, and then you can just erase the data. So let's just do it just to show you. Everything is going to be deleted and erase all data, and just what we did is what will happen. It will just reset, restart. We had to go through all the process again. So as you can see, it's erasing, taking us through all the steps. When you do reset your tablet, you want to ensure that you have good battery power so that it do not interrupt the reset process. This can actually make your device problematic in some cases if you run out of power while resetting your device. So we're almost there. So we are done. I hope that this was helpful, and if it was, let me know in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.